What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Bay Area BFS. Today got something pretty exciting. Not on the water, so I can't do any BFS casting, but super excited because I got a package that got delivered to my door and I have not looked at it yet. So what we got here is an AliExpress delivery. And this is the new Haibo Arise Air reel. Saw this thing come up and looked at the specs, and I was pretty excited about it because I tell you what, man, from the specs, this thing right here is supposed to be solid. So anyways, wanted to share the unveiling, if you will, or the unboxing, and we'll kind of check it out together, and then eventually we'll have another do another video with it on the water. So let's see what we got here. We got the reel, nice bubble wrapped. We got ourselves some Haibo Star Tide, looks like 8-strand polyethylene line. This is the 0.6 gal and 10 pound braid. So, oh, look at that, I like it. It's got the neon color there. All right, what else we got here? And we got ourselves a little spoon. Wow, that thing is tiny. 1.5 grams Haibo spoon. So cool. Very exciting. That's what came in the box. Let's check it out. I tell you what, what's really nice is I don't have to worry about figuring out what line I'm going to put on it, so I'm going to put on exactly what they gave me. Alright, like I said, this is the first time I'm opening this, so there it is. I tell you what, these guys did a heck of a job on the packaging. This is some very, very nice packaging. Not something I would expect on an AliExpress reel. Battle of the Fish. This is the Arise Air. Let's see, this thing taped down. There we go. Look at that. And of course, a good friendly reminder. It says made in China. Alright, so in the box we got a reel with its own case. Let's see. Got a manual. Some paperwork. Alright, well, we'll need a look at that. Not because I'm opposed to looking at it, just I think we know how the reel works. So let's see. Seal that back up. Let's take a look at this reel. Alright, so what's exciting about this reel? This reel weighs 135 grams. This is a BFS reel. This is the gear ratio of 8.11, so it's I'm going to be on the faster side, which I really like. Let's see what we got. The handles are very nice. It's like a translucent blue plastic. It spins very, very well. You can see how narrow it is. Carbon fiber right there on the reel bar. Nice case. Alright, so what are we looking at here? Tell you what, feels really light, really nice. So you can see right there, this is the air with the carbon fiber. Drag star, sounds really nice. Feels good on the click. All right, let's check this out. Make sure the brakes, looks like it's all the way down. Huh. Let's see how that. Well, doesn't seem to spin as impressive as I thought it would. All right, so you can hear the drag click. So it's got the drag click, but it's kind of a dull, muted click. Whereas on the Aldebarans and the Dark Wolves and the variations like the Acura Reel, has a much higher pitch, much more exciting sounding drag. But that's all personal preference. I mean, seems smooth. Let's take a look at the inside here. Alright, so this is what it looks like on the internals. That's the Adaptive Magnetic Control Plus system. Here, you can see the spool. There we go. You can see the AMC, that's the Adaptive Magnetic Control Spool Plus system. Looks very nice. Got a little micro bearing there. Yeah, looks like it is gunked up in grease. So that'll probably affect how it spins. I'll have to clean it up a little bit and we'll see how it spins after we do some cleanup. It has a really good feel to it though, I'll tell you that much. It does feel really nice. Alright, so again, this is 135 grams, 8.1 to 1 gear ratio, so it's going to be fast. Max braking is 5 kilograms. And then the spool weight of that is, I think it's 5.2 grams if I remember correctly. An ultralight 5.2. And line capacity, so this is the 0.6 gal. This is 10 pound in the green color. It'll hold 100 meters is what it has, and this is a 150 meter spool. Free line, I love it. Or if you're using mono, you can do 6 pounds, or either mono or fluoro. 6 pounds, 6 pound test at about 50 meters. So 100 meters is about 147, yeah, it's 147 feet. So, plenty of line right here. And then the bait weight, this can supposedly cast down to 0.6 grams up to 10 grams, so that's a very wide range. You know, I know there's a lot of people who are really into like the trout, using the trout magnet as kind of the test for these reels, and you know, it is probably a good test for it. I very rarely throw anything that light. I think the lightest I'll probably do is maybe about 1.5 grams. I don't know. Yeah, maybe 1.5 grams. But usually I'm between the 2 to about 3.5, 4 grams is the range I like to stay in. You know, and that includes like chatterbaits, plastics, Ned rigs, those, you know, those types of things. And so I'm very rarely throwing trout magnets. I'd rather throw, you know, a plastic worm on a jig head. But yeah, pretty smooth. It's got the name Arise. Can't wait to get it out on the water. But cool. Well, anyways, just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Not going to go into all the technical details, just gave you the specs from the website. Really looking forward to testing it out. I like the color combination. You know, it's kind of a dark gray with a dark blue spool and kind of a, you know, kind of a similar looking blue on the handles. Feels nice. It feels, I can't wait to throw it on a rod to see it. It does feel very palmable. So, all right, cool. Well, you know, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll try to do my best to answer them. Looking forward to taking this out on the water, seeing how it performs. Hopefully we'll get on some big bass or some big trout. Not sure which rod I'm going to throw this on yet, but I got plenty to choose from, so we'll see. All right, well, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. All right, don't forget to please hit subscribe and like. Really helps out the channel, really helps me create more content, and yeah, really looking forward to doing that for you guys. All right, thanks, guys. See ya.